1875, a child was born in the family of Jamal. He was named Birsa because he was born on Thursday. Who knew that this child would one day become a Birsa Munda? Forward remind the forest dwelling community of their glory.
Birsa, where are you?
Ma, I am here.
Beta, you went into the jungles again. What if
The jungle is my friend, and all the animals are my siblings.
Gradually, he grew up and he was admitted to a missionary school. There, he had to convert his religion for the sake of education.
Birsa, besides the issue, there is no one else to save you. You will not be able to follow our religion by yourself. It will be a favor, otherwise, you will remain a Jahil.
As Birsa grew older, he became familiar with the atrocities of the British, and he understood that the British wanted to snatch their forests and all the Hindu living in the forest. The missionaries wanted to convert them to their belief.
You have to help us so that we can make the tribals living in the forest a part of our community.
Seeing all this, Birsa abandoned that belief.
We have been living in these forests since ancient times. These forests are ours. By converting religion, the British cannot snatch our forests from us. Hey brother, don't bow down before the burdens of respect. Stand up for yourself.
Birsa's followers started spreading Birsa's teachings village by village. At his word, the forest dwellers stopped reigning in the British. Seeing all this, the English government was enraged and they arrested Birsa for rebellion and sentenced him to harsh imprisonment. But Birsa's movement was unstoppable. Neither the forest dwellers nor the beggars stopped. Upon Birsa's removal, all his forest dwellers gathered in the village. The call of Birsa revolution echoed through the limited land, property and forest of Prachi.
Now the time has come. Now we will take back our land from the British and a new era will begin. We are the sons of this earth, Dharti Aba, and here will be our rule.
Birsa started mobilizing against the British, going from village to village. Birsa's followers fought with bows and arrows too. The guns of the British also started rustling. They would come from the jungle, kill the British and disappear.
Just as Birsa is attacking us and our people, in the same way, our community will end here. He will not let these tribals become part of our belief.
We will put a heavy burden on Birsa's head, then we will see where he runs and hides.
No tribal betrayed Birsa even for the greed of money, and the British found out about their hideout from the dust of cooking in jungle. One after another, all the tribal sardars, including Birsa, were caught and put in harsh prisons. Iron balls were put in Birsa's waist and bone, and he was thrown into a small cell. The British, in great haste, put a fake name on his grave and presented it to the world as said that he died to cholera. Birsa became a martyr for his religion and country at the young age of just 25 years. No ordinary human being could have achieved what he did in 25 years. And this is why Birsa Munda is considered as incarnation of God.